Hey guys, Gilby here from overdub.co.uk, and today I'm going to show you how to use a multi-band compressor on bass. Now, as far as bass goes, this is not bad. However, there's plenty of room for improvement using a multi-band compressor. This is how it sounds like with the multi-band compressor on. So this is before, after, you can see here that I've set the attack to 50 milliseconds and the release is as fast as possible before it distorts. The rate is 3:1, which I find works best for transparency. So again, before, after, so there you have it. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.